All right, so I'm gonna show you guys the two hammer trick today. This is a radiator hole on a 1966 Ford Fairlane. This is the crash spot where the car got hit. From here over, this whole battery tray is crushed in a bit, which has been all pulled out forward. Again, with hammer and dolly and some air hammers and some vice grips. But today the real problem is, how do you cut in this line here? Because what ends up happening is I'm hammering out. I'm still using a square hammer, which is my favorite for doing this, with a flat spot on the back. As we've hammered and slammed, it's hard to get the hammer to hit just perfectly flat or to have the bottom end hit first and to cut this line in. So you use the back of this, but as you do that, you can see a lot of times I end up hitting in random spots. I'm trying to hit this with great force and hit it the exact spot. So the two hammer trick is you take one hammer with the flat back on here, you put it here, and then you take a second hammer and you cut that line in. And the best part of this is you can control the angle you're cutting at. So if I want to cut more down like this, I can. Again, I'm scooping right now though, so I'm trying to get a nice hard 45 put in here. And then as it gets pulling, one side might pull more than the other as we're taking out the extra material and ripples through here. And then you can kind of adjust this hammer as you go. And as you can see, as you get in here, we're getting a better line, right? This is still coming up a little bit as we're hitting in, so it's kind of pulling it up. But we're gonna end up getting this all the way flattened out, get this back plate as flat as possible with a good angle here. And then we can come back with, again, a secondary hammer like this and cut in this edge, or we can come in with a dolly like this and put the dolly on the back here, get a nice square edge on that, and then try to come in and tap again to the right of the dolly just to pull that steel back down. So that is the two hammer trick. You put it in where you want it, get the angle you want, bam, 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 and you can cut these lines pretty good.